Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Scratch programming class. We have covered two topics so far, features of Scratch and components of Scratch. And this is our third topic, adding a new sprite. So we have four ways to add new sprite. The first one is choose a new sprite. Second one is paint a new sprite. If you are good at drawing, you can paint your own sprite. Third is upload a sprite from a file. So if you have saved a sprite in your computer system, you can upload it. And fourth is a new sprite from a camera. You can use your web camera to capture new sprite. Students, you have seen this area under your stage area. So this is our new sprite icon. I told you the four ways. The first one is to choose a sprite from the library. So this is the icon which is indicating this option. Paint a new, this brush is indicating paint a new sprite. This third icon is indicating to upload a sprite from a file, and the last one is the sprite using the camera. So you can capture a sprite using this camera. So now we will see all the four methods of adding a sprite to your Scratch. So this is your sprite interface. So this is the cat which we always see. You know that Scratch always start a project with the cat. So this is not the case that we always want to use this cat. So let's delete it. So how to delete? Just right click and delete option is there. Now we will click on this option, and we have many options here. Let's choose this butterfly. Double click or click OK. So this is our first way of adding a sprite. Okay, and this is our script area. So let's give a small script to this. You know this green flag is used for clicking and moving it. So let's use this. Let's make it glide for 10 seconds, and let's change the coordinates. Let it be 140 and let this be 80. So you see, stop. This is how we add the first sprite. Now let's use the second method to paint a sprite. So the moment we will click this, see the second sprite area has come here. Now let's draw a tree. So this is our brush. I'll choose a color green and I'll choose the width of the paintbrush. Let's draw a tree. See, my drawing is not that good. Finishing to my tree. So this is how our tree will look. Okay, now you see the tree is added here, and let me add some fruit on this. You see, I've added some flower, or you can say fruits, and let me fill the area with the green color. So you see this paint bucket is filling the blank. Sorry, Control Z we can do, and we will add. Just add carefully. Wherever you will click with the paint bucket, it will fill the area. Okay, so this is how you can add. Now we see that our sprite is looking very big. We don't want that. I can reduce the size. Okay, if I don't want this, I can erase this. Let me increase the. This is how, if some drawing goes wrong, so you can delete it. So this was our second way of adding the sprite. Okay, now let's see the third method of uploading the sprite. For uploading the sprite, we should have some image downloaded in our computer. So let's see how to upload. So let me see if there is any image in the download folder. So the third method I have done for you. You can see the angel is very big, so I can reduce the size and keep it here. So this was the third method, and the fourth method is to capture the image using my web camera. The moment I'll click it, if I'll be in front of the camera, I'll be captured. So I'll keep a picture in front of this camera, and you will get to see two options: save and cancel. So let's see how to do it. So this was the fourth method of uploading the sprite. Okay, so the first method was to get the sprite from the library, second was to paint, third was to upload from the computer system, and last method was to capture using the camera.